Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will delve into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025. And now, we are providing you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 12th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.89. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 4.17% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This amounts to an average loss of 0.46% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 17.46% over the next 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between negative 10.52% and positive 32.74%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 17.34%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 80.81% to positive 54.94% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $4.72 and $38.8. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, "A positive day on Thursday for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock." After gaining 0.4%, the Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price gained 0.4% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, rising from $24.47 to $24.58. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.49%, ranging from a low of $24.47 to a high of $25.08. The price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 2.23% over that period. Volume increased on the last day, alongside the price, which is a positive technical signal. In total, 181,000 more shares were traded than the previous day, with a total of 2 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $51,360,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 55.05%, or $30.10, below the 52-week high, and 69.04%, or $54.80, below the all-time high, which occurred on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the symbol DJT, has recently made headlines with significant developments affecting its stock performance. On the 22nd of May, 2025, the company announced that its streaming service, Truth Plus, is now available on Roku televisions, expanding its content distribution and potentially attracting a larger audience. This move could enhance revenues in the immediate term as new users access the platform. In a contrasting development, the company's stock has experienced volatility due to recent Supreme Court rulings against Trump administration policies and a challenging market environment. These judicial setbacks, along with the stock market's poor performance at the beginning of the year, have created uncertainty surrounding DJT's long-term growth trajectory. Despite these challenges, the California State Teachers filed opinion expressing DJT retirement system has increased its stake in Trump Media, signaling confidence from institutional investors. Additionally, the firm reported a narrower loss in the first quarter and asserted a robust cash position of $759 million, indicating financial stability. This resilience could position DJT favorably as it seeks active mergers and acquisitions to diversify its offerings. In summary, while the recent news presents both opportunities and challenges, developments such as increased product availability and financial stability could positively influence DJT's stock in both the short and long term, provided the company successfully navigates external pressures and capitalizes on its expansion strategy. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts maintain a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average exceeds the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further increases, it will likely face resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $25.09. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average around $23.10. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Notably, the trading volume is rising alongside the price, which is generally viewed as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 6.82%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal from 22 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 63 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 24 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 72 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 67 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.87 and $22.04. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a breach could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation identifies support just beneath today's level at $22.87. If this level is broken, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $22.04 and $20.27. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 610 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 2.49%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 3.05%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $26.14. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $22.87. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Also on that day, Philip Juhan sold 416 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Again, on the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan sold 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Lastly, on that date, Philip Juhan sold 248 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the most recent 68 insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 21.616. Overall, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,937,448 shares in the last 68 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $23.53, reflecting a decrease of 4.26%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal derived from a pivot top identified 21 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation presents several positive signals. However, these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 23rd of May, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by 13 cents, starting at $24.71. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.